I'm here at Thorpe Park today. I'm here to experience our Fright Night events. Not going to be experiencing it fully because I'm not going to be doing all the mazes. You know me, I get scared of the mazes. But I'm going to be trying out their brand new 2021 season trailers. I'm going to be checking out some of the scare zones. Even though I get scared of them, I'll be running out. But I'll be sort of checking out some of the scare zones. The park is extremely busy today. We've got 2 rides at 90 minutes plus already, so that's Saw and the Swarm are at 90 minutes plus already. We're currently making our way over to Stealth, which I think is the best thing in the park. Hopefully that's riding well. Yeah, we're going to be here till 9 PM tonight, getting on some fantastic night rides of Nemesis Inferno, which you can see behind me. Yeah, so couldn't catch you after Stealth. So I just got off one of the best front row rides on Stealth that I've had so far this year. I still think on the front that is the best thing you can have at this park, the best experience you can do. Whilst I was in the queue line, waited a massive 80 minutes for those. Massive. Very busy day on park here today. I'm about to get my trailers ticket booked and then I'm walking on over to Saw the ride. But yeah, front row Stealth. Hopefully can get a re-ride on it later when it's a bit darker, because I've not done that one in the dark yet. Hoping to get Inferno, the Swarm and Stealth done in the dark. Queue should die down when the maze is open, fingers crossed. Scare actors come out at 3, which is terrifying because scare actors scare me lots. And I'm on my own today, so I will probably be a target, but it'll be a good time. So I'm going to book my trailers ticket, might book Darren Brand's today. I'm not too fussed about it because I've done it so much this year, like 3 or 4 times. But yeah, I'm going to head on over to Saw the ride because it's got like the shortest queue in park. We'll catch you after Saw. Back after a ride on Saw. It was a good ride. It was actually really good. I sat on the back row of the second cars. I got to see Jigsaw, all that good stuff. The only thing that let Saw down this time was unfortunately the operations. It was advertised at 2 hours and then ended up taking like advertised at 80 minutes, ended up taking like 3, close to 3, which then made it later for me to get onto the trailers scare maze, which I've actually braved up for. I bought a ticket, gonna see what it's like, because if you watch my Alton Towers vlog video, you'll know I've got scared stick with it. So yeah, we'll see how we go. You join me after trailers, going to pick up some food as well. Trailers was good, trailers was scary though. Not as scary as the stuff at Alton Towers, I'll be honest. Was going to go to Colossus, but I think I'm probably going to give that a miss today. It was the first thing I started on the season, so I'm happy to give it a miss. But yeah, probably going to give Colossus a miss today. go over to Nemesis Inferno, which has got about 2 hour queue, and then I'm going to go over and queue close on the Swan, which looks amazing in the dark. Maybe get a cheeky stealthy ride in between that as well if there's time. Everything's on 90 minutes, it's extremely busy. Yeah, we'll try and get what we can now to finish off the day. Hopefully get Swan 1 to finish. Catch you after Inferno. Hello! You join me after a stunning ride on Nemesis Inferno. Inferno's great, it's always a good time. I'm a big fan of Inferno. Currently going on to a stealth night ride. Check out everything going on here at Amity. And then we're gonna go and do the Swan. And that's it for my day here at Thorpe Park. That's it for the year here at Thorpe Park, because I'm not going to be able to get back before the park closes on Halloween, the end of the month. Yeah, it's been a great day. I managed to get on. I didn't get on the stealthy ride, fortunately, due to operations, so I ditched that and went over to get a fantastic ride on the Swan in the dark, looking gorgeous and riding as good as always. Yeah, it's been a good day here at Thorpe. Managed to get on the Saw, Nemesis Inferno, Stealth. Managed to do a maze, which was a first for me, doing a maze all on my own. That was really, really good. But yeah, it's been a great day here at Thorpe Park. Thank you for watching. If you do like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, please subscribe. And there should be a playlist up there with a few more of my videos. Thank you for watching. Take care. Goodbye.